take a look at the top golf courses that you can play in Hartford, Connecticut. We have 4 in around Hartford. Let's take a look here at our first course. It is Timberland Golf Course in Berlin, Hartford, about 25 minutes. In Berlin, outside of Hartford, about 25 minutes. A popular, well-deserved municipal golf course known for its excellent conditions, challenging layout, and a good value. Timberland offers a classic parkland style course with mature trees and strategic holes. It's fully public and very affordable when you compare them to the other courses coming up on this list. If you have any courses that you think should be higher on this list, or a course we missed, let us know down in the comment section below. Let's take a look now as we head on over to West Hartford, only about 20 minutes west from the downtown city. While primarily a private golf course, this facility here offers limited public play at certain times, especially for certain times of the season and days, because this is a famous Donald Ross design course known for its strategic bunker placement and adjacent green. This is a fun course to get out and a fantastic experience close to the city. Overall, it's semi-private, but you better check ahead of tee times because they do have a lot of functions and private events. You can see right off the bat it looks private though. I'm going to be honest with you. If you have any information on these public courses, we might have snuck a few private ones in there. That one looks private, but it does have some good history with Donald Ross. Let's head on over to, we know a course that's private here, Keney Park Country Golf Course. Here within the city limits is a historical classic municipal golf course that won a huge renovation by Matthew Dusenberry. This is a true gem and offers a classic championship caliber golden age style because of its history and its beauty. It is ranked among one of the top municipal golf courses in the country and yearly wins top golf courses to play or cheapest golf course. That is a beautiful one by major golf outlets. You can see it's a very old historical golf course, and that's what most of these courses are, unfortunately, on this theme. Let's close this list out as we keep the video short. We want you to get out there and play golf, especially at this facility that is 27 holes and considered to be the best public golf course in Connecticut. It offers a strategic different offer of 3 distinct greens, and overall those greens have 9 holes. So 9 different holes is what I'm trying to say. The red, the blue, and the white, which offers challenging and well-maintained experience, is known for its rolling terrain, tree-lined fairways, and excellent greens to charter any golfer from different levels and skill sets. If you played any of these courses, well, let us know down in the comment section below. We would love to turn this into a Reddit type feel, so any information that you could provide would be greatly appreciated as we consistently try to make updates in the near future on these videos. We might not get it right the first time, but we'd love to see comments down below of people that have played these courses, know them better than we do, and will provide a top list of their course down at the bottom. Sometimes we take that top list and we turn it into a video. That's amazing, and that's what we try to do. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Professor and Independent Golf Channel.